Do you know how to open?
I don't know.
Look at your toys. Oh, it's very messy. Here, baby boy. Come here. Mama will open your ice cream. Yay!
Wow.
Wow!
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Mama,
Yes.
is this here?
Yes. Careful.
Wow.
Move there, baby boy. You move there. Go there.
I can't open.
You can just... No. Here. Up. That part.
Whoa.
You can just pull. Here, baby boy. Wow! Mama will do. Give me. Oh, don't touch. You can just eat directly. No need to touch.
But she can eat, maybe.
Wow, is that good?
Yes, maybe good for me.
Wow.
Wow, mine is like this. Chocolate. Mine is all chocolate.
Wow.
Mine is so
It's chocolate.
chocolate.
It's chocolate. Baby boy.
Ice cream.
What's that?
Ice cream.
What flavor is that?
Ice cream.
Can I have a bite?
Yes.
Okay.
See?
Yes.
You can try mine. Mine is so delicious. You see?
Baby boy.
Tiger, can I try yours? Yes. A little bit.
It's falling. You eat here, not on the carpet. Here.